In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Docusign. This process is straightforward, but to guide you confidently through each step, let's dive in together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Docusign website. Accessing Docusign is your first step towards managing your documents and agreements efficiently. Once you've reached the home page, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button. This button is typically found easily on the page since logging into your account is an essential step in managing your Docusign environment. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your central hub where you'll find all the tools and options at your disposal. Now, look for the Agreements tab. This is an important area in Docusign as it manages all the documents and agreements you work with. Clicking on Agreements allows you access to your existing documents and also provides options for creating new ones. Following this, to get more options, you'll want to click on Show More. This is a drop-down menu that will reveal additional functionalities and options within the application. It's a handy feature that ensures your workspace remains uncluttered until you need more tools. From the options that are revealed, look for folders. Clicking on folders is the next move because it's where you're going to be organizing and managing your documents. This section allows you to group your documents logically, which helps maintain order and makes them easy to find whenever needed. Now comes the exciting part, creating your new folder. You need to find and click on the Add New Folder button. This is your cue to start providing structure in your document organization. A good tip here is to consider how you want to name your folders, whether it's by client, project, or date, to help streamline your future searches. Once you've clicked on Add New Folder, the final step is simply to click Create. This action finalizes the process, creating the folder where you can start placing your documents. You should now see your newly created folder among the list, ready to be personalized and filled with your files. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've now successfully created a new folder in Docusign, ready to organize your documents. Remember, an organized workspace is a key to managing your documents more effectively. This process can be repeated as many times as you need, allowing you to adapt and expand your system as your workflow grows. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing with Docusign.